All right, everybody, this is the next aircraft that we're going inside of. This is also my other favorite aircraft, alongside of those three over there. The Sikorsky ch-47 Chinook, belonging to the U.S. Army. And my Uncle Jeff did fly on this. My mom replied to him. He said that he did. My mom messaged him. He said he jumped off of this one. He flew on this one and the Black Hawk that we went on over there. This helicopter is not just used to transport Army troops, but sometimes it can also be used to transport members of the press and members of the president's entourage when the president is flying aboard his private helicopter, Marine One. Here we go. Man, I feel like a real soldier getting on board this thing. Here we are. We're standing 1 foot and another foot on the ramp. That's pretty cool, huh?
I did. Thank you. I did. I'm sorry.
They actually have a first aid kit over there. In that little pouch right there, that's their first aid kit. In case somebody gets hurt, you got to be prepared. They actually have some statues of U.S. Army paratroopers. That's pretty cool, isn't it? And this helicopter is also used to transport injured soldiers out of combat areas. Oh, it's a little wobbly back here. Ah, much better.
Especially when they know things can go.
I'm gonna wait for these folks to get out of the way, and I'm gonna try sitting down. Ready for takeoff, Sergeant.
What do you think, huh?
10 hot. That's pretty cool. Hey, and Dot, what do you think? Pretty cool, huh? I told you I wanted to do this my entire life. This is awesome. I've been looking up helicopter video, U.S. Army helicopter videos on YouTube, and I finally got to get in one for real. There's another first aid kit right there. They have a U.S. Army paratrooper right here. That's pretty cool, isn't it? Oops, sorry.
Hey, guys.
Hi. Broken arm.
Oh, no. His arm's like that. That's tinnitus. It's okay.
Oh, nice.
Hello, sir. How are you doing?
Good. How are you?
I'm doing great. So this is a ch-47 helicopter, right?
Yes.
All right. Do you not only you use this to transport troops in and out of battle areas, but do you also use it for medical evacuations as well?
Not medevacs, but casevacs, yes.
Yeah,
The
that's
difference between a medevac is we're a medical platform.
yeah,
Casevac means we're a reactionary medevac platform.
yeah.
So we
Exactly.
do it for casevac, but not medevac.
Okay, that's pretty cool. Used for casevac. That's
We can
cool.
put 24 of these guys in here. These are litters.
Yep,
We have to.
that's pretty cool. Well, thank you very much.
What's that, Steve?
ch-47 Chinook.
Can I get a fist bump, though? Can I get it back? Found it.
Find it.
All right, there we go. Yes.
What is this for?
So this is a personal recovery device. It was developed in Vietnam to cut through the upper layer of the jungle. So it can go through any foliage. We can use it in the mountains. We can use it over water because it's top to float. If we cannot physically land to pick them up, but we need to get them out, we can send this down and recover them.
Really?
As long as they're not injured, yes. We kick off about 120 knot winds when we're at a hover, so that's why if they're injured, we'll probably send someone down to grab them, hold them, and bring them up. But if they're not injured, we can throw them on this and bring them up. So that little hatch just behind this box.
Yeah, you hold on to it.
Yep, so you sit on this part, you wrap your legs, or you set your legs on either side, hold on to this. There's straps here that you'll wrap underneath your arms.
Where does it go through? Does it go through like up there?
There's a little hatch door here. We'll open that up, cargo hook out of the way, and send it down that way.
No, he's moving it. It's just showing you what they were.
That's pretty cool.
We're doing all right.
Hey guys,
That's an awesome shirt, dude.
Okay, thank you.
I got to see the first one in theaters when I was a kid.
Next people, no.
It was one of my favorite movies growing up.
You like that? Oh, you like that one too. Come on.
And the final stop, the cockpit. And here is the information about the aircraft. Tells you how many crew members they have. Pause if you want to read that yet again. And there's 2 sheets for the crew members, one for the loadmaster, and one for the pararescueman. They got a window right here. That's cool. There's the United Bombardier CRJ 550 that we went inside. Pretty cool, huh? And there's the USAF Learjet C-21A that we went inside. And just next to that, the Sikorsky Black Hawk. After you. All right. Well, I'm not going to get into the seats or anything. I'm just going to have a look. We're not going to go inside the E-2 Hawkeye, just so you guys know, because we want to get to our seats. We're probably going to have a look at 2 more aircraft or 3. That's pretty cool, isn't it? Excuse me. Pardon me. Excuse me. All right, well, I gotta set my phone down so I can get out.
To my knowledge, there's only 1 or 2 in there.
Sorry. Yeah, well, there's so many. I got my phone and I'm filming everything. Yep, I got it. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you for your service. Let me get a look at the front.
You gotta walk around this way.
Yeah, I know. Pitot tubes indicates the airspeed.
Yeah? Tell them thank you for offering to help.
Oh, yeah. That's the E-2 Hawkeye.
Oh, yeah?
And beyond that is the KC135.
Main features.
Oh, that's the F-35 Lightning. That one, right over there.
Listen, it's 30-millimeter bullets at 3,900 rounds per minute, or approximately 65 rounds per second.
Here's the E-2 Hawkeye. Looks like the weather's becoming nice now.
Particularly with low altitude, 8-10 miles per hour, you change out to 100 feet off the ground.
Are you still near me, Mom?
And coming in right now.
That's the A-10 Thunderbolt. This is the F-35 Lightning. There's 2 of them. And back there is the KC135, which I want to have a look at. I don't think the A-10 Thunderbolts are as loud as the regular other fighter jets. Yeah, they actually have regular jet engines, kind of. And there's another one I want to look at. There's some police cars over there. Sorry, Mom. And I think that's... Yep, I think that's the F-15 Strike Eagle. Pretty cool, huh? There's the F-35 Lightning. Fifth aircraft we got to check out. Both of those, actually. Yeah, I know. And the F-15 Strike Eagle. Yeah, some of them, you can't go inside. I know. Sorry, Mom. What? There's the F-15 Strike Eagle, and there's the KC-135.
He's a 1986 graduate of the University of Kansas. He graduated off the training school in 1987. He has 13 combat deployments, including Veterans Corps, 3 Iraqi deployments, and 6 Afghan deployments.
Oh, they got some fire trucks over there.
2020. Combat decorations include the distinguished
There's the fire department over there.
Star and 18 air medals. Currently, John is the highest time A-10 pilot in the world with over 7,400 hours in the aircraft. He's married to Christina, a retired Air Force officer with 28 years of service. They have 3 children. And John will be retiring at the end of August at the mandatory retirement age of 60. One of 3 wins here in A-10 Force. Let's give a great big Spirit St. Louis welcome to Lieutenant Colonel John Carl Marks.
That's pretty cool, isn't it, Mom?
That is the line.
Is this the line to go inside? Yeah. Is it over here? You know what? I think I'll skip this aircraft, Mom. I think I'll probably skip this aircraft. I want to check that. What? Yep, there's the 757 I told you about. Hold on, I gotta get over. And there's the fire trucks. A-10 Thunderbolt. And there's the fire trucks. Yep, and there's the 757. No, the line's too long. But there's really nothing exciting in there. It's just basically a refueling aircraft, and they do have some seats in there. That looks like a motorhome. It is.
Yeah.
Can you use that bathroom, Mom? That one?
I don't think so. Here.
Sorry, Mom. Yep, there's a motorhome. And there's the FTB 757. I want to check that out when we're done with the restroom. Pretty cool, huh? Yep, after we're done with the restroom, yeah. All right, guys, I'll be right back.